Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 97, factorization, section A, easy. Let's start. Although it is easy section, this problem is a bit tougher one. So pay neat attention to this. For x square plus 2x plus 5 to be a factor of x raised to 4 plus px square plus q, the values of p and q are, means what? See here, this x square plus 2x plus 5 is a divisor, x raised to 4 plus px square plus q is a dividend. Okay, now always remember, in both divisor and dividend, the indices of x starting from the biggest one should move in a linear fashion, means after x raised to 4 there should be x cube, after x cube there should be x square, then there should be x, and then there should be constant. Now is this rule applicable in divisor? X raised to 2, then x raised to 1, then x raised to 0 means constant. Yes, it is there. Now for dividend, x raised to 4, then is there x cube? No. So what you do is you put 0x cube. Then plus px square? Yes. After x square is there x? No. So put 0x and then cube. Now you write this in the in our normal division system. So it becomes x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus px square plus 0x plus q. Remember, you can't escape this step at all. You have to bring them in a linear descending order only. Okay. Okay. So dividend, divisor over here, x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay. Start the division. So x square and x raised first to first, x raised to 4 and x square. So x square into x square is x raised to 4. So remaining also multiply the same, 2x into x square, 2x cube, 5x square over here, minus minus, so it becomes p minus 5x square over here, and here minus 2, 0 minus 2, so minus 2x cube, p minus 5x square, and then 0x. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.